Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare Volvo V60 versus V90 Cross Country. We'll explore their key differences to help you decide which wagon best suits your lifestyle. First, let's look at their overall size and design. The V60 Cross Country is the more compact option, perfect for urban environments, while the V90 Cross Country offers a larger footprint and a more substantial feel on the road. Both maintain Volvo's signature rugged elegance. When it comes to performance, both wagons deliver a refined driving experience, but with distinct power levels. The V60 Cross Country, with its 247 horsepower, provides spirited acceleration and slightly better fuel efficiency. The V90 Cross Country steps up with 295 horsepower, offering more robust performance, especially for highway cruising or towing. Both come standard with all-wheel drive, ensuring confident handling across various conditions. Inside, both Volvos prioritize comfort and utility, but the V90 Cross Country truly excels in spaciousness. It offers more rear legroom and a larger cargo area, making it ideal for families or those needing extra hauling capacity. The V60 Cross Country, while smaller, still provides ample room for daily adventures and maintains Volvo's high standards for interior design and premium materials. Both feature intuitive infotainment and advanced safety systems. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities. The V60 Cross Country is a fantastic option if you seek a more agile, fuel-efficient wagon with a lower starting price. If maximum space, higher towing capacity, and a more powerful engine are essential, the V90 Cross Country is the clear winner. Both deliver Volvo's renowned safety and luxury. Whichever you choose, you're getting a premium vehicle. Also, check the description for a link to some great meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.